Nothing. You ain't got nothing.
Not today.
Do I gotta say it? Good morning, plumbers. If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing. The good, the bad, and the ugly. And today? What we got today?
Ugly.
Ugly. Today we got a rainy Friday. We'll give you the weather report first. Raining, pouring, raining, pouring. We have a water heater leak. We're gonna go check it out and we'll see when we get there. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Follow this journey. Gonna be a long journey, as you see why. Training my two sons in the plumbing trade. Gonna be well worth it because we all know what? Is that all you got?
Yeah.
Because plumbing ain't going nowhere. Let's have a Monday morning cap up on a Friday afternoon. Come on.
It's not crashing.
Alright, we'll see if we get inside. See?
It's no fun when it's like this,
There's no doubt. Oh yeah, it's dripping pretty good, man.
Yeah, that's why, I look back at my texts, I showed you that back in September, but nothing ever happened. I don't know.
That's when you last text me on this?
Yeah, I think I did. But it definitely, something's not right.
Well, I can tell you one thing. It's the relief valve. The tanks are. I want to turn your hot water off, okay?
Sure.
All right, that's all. Can you open up one? Is there a bathroom in here by chance?
Well, right behind you is the toilet.
Okay, can you just open up the hot side of your faucet? Hook up a hose there, superstar. We'll put this on that pilot. I didn't bring my glasses. We'll turn it way down. How's that? There you go. It's on pilot. Oh, we're going to need a flat screwdriver.
It's not dripping anymore, it's done.
Alright, good. Listen to me. I'm rolling. Go ahead.
There you go. I was in your sign up.
Yeah, okay. I just gotta drain your heater down a little bit. So you been out surfing at all? Yeah, I haven't surfed at all, dude.
Well, I know you got the gear, but
Flat screwdriver. See that? Always flat and roll it out flat. I'm gonna drain a little bit off, alright?
Huh?
Flat screwdriver, just lay in the grass. Oh, man. Not that big one. Here, look as I'm doing. Let me show you. That's for 12 tanks only, just so you know. I'm just going to open this up, drain this off. Alright. Take a little bit of water off. There it is. Diane, pipe though.
You want me?
No, I'm talking to Angelo.
Oh, I couldn't say
Pipe that up, okay?
Yeah, I use something.
Come here. Do it on the top, on the floor, because I don't want nothing on the rug. Nice. Thanks, sir. Tape measure. Cut me a piece of copper.
Did you ever cut that piece of copper about a shelf?
I did, 46. What, I must have laid it inside. I'm sorry. No, I brought it in, I thought. I did. Hold on, here it is. 46. Press on that male adapter. So I'm gonna flush this water here while we're here. Get off. Little crooked, huh? So what I'm gonna do, a lot of times I'll flush the tank while we're here. I'll finish tightening this up. Pair of pliers. Oh, look at this, corrosion in there. I wish I could test this water. Might be the water. Pair of pliers here. Here you go. Now, oh, I'm sorry, the wrench inch. Sorry about that. I'll show them that. All right, so what I'll do now, I'll turn the water back on. Flush out the tank. there you have it. We got it done. Little minor leak. Discovered another problem with the water. Gonna get that water tested. Another problem is Angelo bailed out on me at halftime. Couldn't get the what do we got out of him? But what we got today. And there goes another satisfied customer. Have a great day, everybody. We'll see you tomorrow.